What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about XRP. I want to talk about the hack that has happened. I want to talk about all the FUD, the negative news that's going on about this position. And I also want to talk about my position as well, right? Because there's a lot of things that are hovering around this to say that this has been inherently negative. So if you guys could make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link to Margex if you guys want to start trading on Margex. It's a great platform. Absolutely love that platform. I've been using it for quite some time and trading on it effectively, honestly. And I really like the platform. So definitely go ahead and check that link out in the description. But let's go ahead and get into the different news that's happening with XRP, as well as some other information that we can get into with the position. So the first a little bit of information that we have here today to talk about is going to be this, right? Ripple hacked for 213 million XRP, worth about $112.5 million. Now, as we go into this, we understand that this hack the money was laundered through different exchanges like MEXC, Gate.io, Binance, Kraken, OKX, and other exchanges as well, right? So obviously this creates some negative news within the market. I've seen this, and we saw a pullback. Now the pullback wasn't just from this news. It was also from the entire market, and we'll get into that as we look at the entire market, even though the market has since recovered a little bit. Still down, but has recovered a little bit. So shortly after the hack was reported, XRP's token had fallen more than 5%, as you could see, and the report stated that the massive funds had been stolen by one wallet. And they did release an original post on X that basically talked about this. The co-founder, or Ripple's co-founder, Chris Larson, confirmed the hack had taken place. Now, this is not positive news for Ripple. It's not positive news for XRP, and it kind of kind of pokes at maybe a little bit of like, oh, hey, we have high security and it's a great position and all of that, and you don't see that high security because it lacks that with what has just happened. So honestly, it's something that we have to kind of look into. We haven't really seen as much. I mean, that's $112 million that has been hacked. So honestly, you have to take that into account. Some other news that you do have here is you have this that came out 23 hours ago talking about four flashes or price flashes, four warning signals within it. And we're only going to go through this like briefly. You have one warning signal, which is XRP price bear flag setup, which as you can see there, you also have XRP whales that are dumping, and you have various XRP whales there worth multiple millions of dollars. And you understand how big of an impact whale selling does have on the overall position as well as the market. And then you see that you have a death cross. This is the third thing: a death cross, a head and shoulders breakdown, and then the fourth thing would be no spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, I'm a person that believes that the Bitcoin spot ETF will happen, or sorry, not Bitcoin, XRP spot ETF will happen, and XRP doesn't necessarily need it, but I would love to see it for stability. The problem is that we have litigation right now, and I really don't think that litigation will lead to an XRP spot ETF or any type of consistency or traditionalists investing into this position. So honestly, it's something that I look at and I'm like, okay, do we really need it? No, but is it great to be able to see something like that? Absolutely. But is it going to happen now? I don't think it's going to happen now. It has been in the news, or there's been discussions about it, but honestly, with the litigation that's happening, it doesn't make sense that that will happen right now. Now, we get into XRP's price. We talked about how it was down by 5% at one point. Right now, it's down by 0.6%. It's at 51 cents. It did drop down all the way down to about 49 cents. And on some places, it was like low 49 cents, where I actually got liquidated on one of my positions as it did drop down to 49 cents, but overall on the broader market, it didn't really happen that way. So it does suck to be able to see that, but you got to play that more closer to the chest when it comes to those things. Currently, we're seeing a 27.8 billion-dollar market cap with $1.7 billion worth of volume. Volume is up by 44%, but we're seeing the overall position down. So inherently, it's just sell volume right now that's going through this position. Um, but anyways, if I understand that, like I understand that I have been, liquidated in one position over on Margex, but when it comes to my overall position here, I still have my $10,000, $10,588 worth of XRP. I've even had some XRP that came over from Margex that I sent over from Margex over here, and now I have almost 21,000 rather than just 20,000 like I had previous to today. Which is fantastic to see. It's just we haven't really seen the movement that we all want to see. Like we all want to see it get to a level of, a dollar, $2, $3, $10, $20, whatever. We all want to see it get to those points, but we haven't seen that ability to get there yet. We've seen the ability, we just haven't seen that actually get there for a lot of people that are holding right now. And with any type of fear that's being thrown at us, with hacks that's happening, and honestly, it's understandable, right? Somebody said on TikTok that you got to be fearful while others are greedy, and greedy while others are fearful. And it seems like this will be the case where people are fearful of what XRP can be. Even yesterday, I saw a post or a comment that said that XRP was dead and that I should give up. And I just don't see that, right? It just doesn't make sense to me why you would see something like that. So this XRP hack, this flash warning sign, right? Four warning signs that things are going to drop down. I'm not buying it. Obviously, for a maybe a leverage trade, it may be something that does affect it short term, and you might need to make those moves accordingly. But when it comes to a long term hold, something where zero is the only option to completely lose everything, I'm not giving up on what you see in front of you. The $10,000 that I have there, I'm not giving up on that position, and would love to add more, but I'm not in the market to add more. I want to sit on the 20,000 that I have, and I'm happy with having 20 or 21,000 right now. And whatever I can get over from Margex will be phenomenal to be able to gather that. But if it doesn't come that way, then it doesn't go that way. But I've been able to collect quite a bit through Margex, and it's a great platform. If you guys want to start trading with that platform, feel free to use it. Again, I started trading with this about 3 months ago, and I've had a ton of success throughout it. As you can see here, I have a ton of success throughout it. I do have an XRP position that is significantly down because of how much it's not moving, right? You see Solana that is moving. You see all these other positions that are, making some moves, but this one is just not really making those moves. It is starting to move a little bit more positively than what it was, but either way, this is a fantastic platform. But guys, if you could, make sure you check out some of the links down below. Let me know what you think about XRP, all of the FUD that's happening right now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to check out those links. Don't forget about my Patreon as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.